Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make Alexa play music from YouTube. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, it's a very easy process. You can simply choose to play your music from on your Alexa by YouTube and by any other music app that you use, right? To do so, all you have to do is first of all turn on your Bluetooth and do the same for your Echo device of yours. Once you have connected the both device, you have to simply make sure that your Echo device is simply paired and connected with your mobile phone successfully. Upon doing that, you will be able to access your YouTube, and whenever you play any music over here, it will simply link to your Echo device and can play there your YouTube video that you have played. It will simply work as any no other normal speaker by via connecting Bluetooth and playing any music you will play right over here in the YouTube. So make sure your device is paired and connected with your mobile phone successfully, and you can go ahead play any music that you will like on YouTube. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.